My name is Dave Carter, and I teach construction skills and small engine mechanics here in the Pre-Tech program at the Center for Technology Essex. What I love so much about this program is we get to learn relevant and exciting topics that are useful for anyone. Through building dynamic and fun projects, we learn about shop and tool safety. We get experience using a dozen different power tools. We learn how to measure and cut and assemble so that our projects come out looking professional. We learn about electricity, and we learn about paints and stains, and we learn how to frame a building. By disassembling engines, we learn about how the four-stroke engine works. We learn about what all the parts do individually and what they do for the system as a whole. We learn to diagnose and repair engines that aren't running properly. We get to learn all of this and call it school. And that's not even getting to the other credits in this class. Students in Pre-Tech get 6 credits, including core academic areas and the technical elective. Because we teach all these classes as part of Pre-Tech, we can tie all the classes together. All of the science and art we do is directly related to the learning we do in the shop. There is so much we can learn about math and English and science as they relate to construction and mechanics. This class takes work, but more than that, it takes the right attitude. Teamwork, integrity, accountability, communication. These skills are as important as anything else we teach here at CTE. If you are interested in the building trades or in mechanics, this is your opportunity to choose a different way of learning. At CTE, you get to take ownership of your education, and it starts right here in Pre-Tech. This is your chance to build a foundation for your future or accelerate your career. Students who are successful here in Pre-Tech will find themselves ahead of the curve going into a program of their choice here at CTE for their junior year. Students often choose to continue into the automotive, building trades, or natural resources programs their junior year. At Pre-Tech, you can get a jump on a career in electrical, plumbing, carpentry, automotive mechanics, or any number of other possibilities.
Hi, my name's Kyra. I came into Tech about my sophomore year going into Pre-Tech 1, which is Mr. Carter's class. I was ready for a different type of learning, something not so much with bookwork, but more hands-on and skill-oriented. My senior year, I'm in building residential, and Mr. Carter's intro to building arts actually really helped coming into this program because here we do a ton of different things from framing to finish work.
If you'd like to learn more about the Pre-Tech program or the Center for Technology Essex, check out our website or ask your school counselor. Thanks for taking the time to check our program out, and I hope to see you next year in the shop.